Metromont got its start back in 1925. My grandfather was a bridge builder and decided to get in the concrete business. Over the years, the culture of Metromont has stayed the same. One of resiliency, perseverance, honor, passion for what you're doing. And over the years, we've had a good many innovative changes within the industry, trying to find ways to be less labor intensive, to make it a better place to work for everyone.
When I started with Metromont, we maybe had 350, 400 associates that work for us. Now we've grown to 1,500. And to see that growth, be a part of that growth, both good times and bad, it's been an amazingly rewarding journey. Metromont offers a wide range of services. We offer engineering design services where we can help our customers design and develop their projects from scratch. And then, of course, we pour concrete every day. We pour concrete and we build buildings, and the things that you know Metromont for are around you every day. You just don't know that Metromont is the company that's done it.
There are clients who call us to do work in Arizona, in Texas, in Oklahoma, in New England, areas way outside our geographic reach. But because of the confidence they have in Metromont and the years of doing work with Metromont, they feel confident in us doing jobs with them outside our geographic region.
The most important way we keep a strong relationship is for them to trust that we're going to do what we say we're going to do, our schedule, our quality, our input that we give them up front on jobs and the information. And it just all boils back to they trust what we say and they trust we're going to do what we say we're going to do.
Metromont's people and culture are one of a kind. I have to say that it thrills me to come to work every day, to know that I get to work with the group of people that are around me. And our culture means a lot to us. Faith, honor, and passion are ingrained in who we are and in our people. These are the things that our customers recognize us for.
The amount of passion that we have for making sure that we're doing the right thing all the time, to making sure that we're exceeding our customers' expectations. There's just so much energy for that, so much energy for making sure that we deliver the best possible product that we can. We have a really bright future, and it's a really common saying to hear that, one of the best indicators for future success is past performance. And Metromont has had tremendous past performance. Over the last 100 years, we've done some really phenomenal things, and I'm really excited about what we're going to do over the next 100 years. We have to thank every single associate at Metromont. We've all been a part of our history. We're all going to be a part of our future. Really excited to see what we'll do, but a tremendous amount of thanks to everyone that works at Metromont.